Assalamu alaikum. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is a collaboration video, a collaboration between me and two other amazing ladies. That's Rukia Laltia and Husna Laltia, and I'm going to leave their channel links on my description box. I'll also leave their pages over here so that you can see. We are going to be making 3 different snacks for you guys. As for me, you're going to see me making potato balls, and you can visit their channels as to see what they have in store for you. I'm sure you love it, so please make sure you check out their channels. And let's go to today's video. So guys, as I said, I'm going to be making potato balls, or kachori in Swahili. You're going to need potatoes, obviously, so you chop them and boil them. Make sure you boil them with some salt. You're also going to need flour. You're going to need turmeric powder. You're going to need salt and lemon juice. You're going to need water. And if you're a person who loves chilies, please add on chilies. I don't do chilies, that's why I don't have them. So the next step, you're going to mash your potatoes just like I'm doing on the video. Then over here guys, I'm going to add in my lemon juice. I used about 2 to 3 tablespoons, and I'm going to mash them together just until they look like this. Then the next step, you're going to start making your shapes, round shapes like this ones, like round balls, just like this. So guys, over here our potato balls are ready, and the next step, we are going to make the coating. So I used 1 cup of flour, and I added a pinch of salt, and I'm going to add in my turmeric powder, just like that guys. If you feel like the turmeric powder is little, because I used about 1.5 teaspoons, or like let's say 1 tablespoon, if you feel like it's little, you're going to add on. Then I'm going to add in my water, and I'm going to mix this. You want your mixture to be not too thick and also not too light, just thick enough to coat on your potatoes. And over here guys, we are going to start frying them. So dip them in your coating just like that, and make sure they get the coating all over them, just like that. It's so easy guys. Then over here, you're going to put them inside your oil. Make sure the oil is hot. Then guys, you're going to let them fry for about 2 to 3 minutes only. Don't let them stay inside the oil for too long, because remember, our potatoes were already cooked, and you don't want to cook this again. You just want that coating to stick on your potatoes, and that's it. So after 2 to 3 minutes, your potatoes are ready. So guys, you're just going to repeat the same process until you're done with your potatoes, and that's it. And over here guys, I'm done. This is our final results. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure you try it. It's super yummy. You can have it with tamarind sauce or with any sauce you like. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and share. Share. Love you guys. Bye.